Welcome to Sri Kanteswara Swami Temple, Nanjangud, one of the ancient and well-known pilgrimage centers of Karnataka, is at a distance of about 25 kilometers from Mysore and is famous for its temple dedicated to Shiva, described as Nanjundeshwara. Nanjunda means one who has consumed poison, and this legend relates to the churning of the ocean when Shiva had to consume halahal or poison. Nanjunda became Vishakantha and also Srikantha for having digested it. Hence, the deity is also known as Sri Kantashwara, one who cures diseases. 1,000-year-old history has made a significant contribution to the massive proportion of the temple, as kings and rulers endeavored to surpass the others in the building and extending of this abode of Shiva, the protector of the land. Chola kings in the 11th to 12th century are considered to have set in motion the construction of the temple, with significant additions by the Hoysalas and the Vijayanagara kings later on. The temple was developed on a full scale during the era of Mysore rulers and reached its mammoth proportions due to the devotion of Krishnaraja Wadiyar towards the deity. On the banks of the Kapila are the Parashurama Kshetra, and people firmly believe that a pilgrimage to the Nanjangud would be incomplete without a prayer here. There are other temples dedicated to Gautama, Ganapati, Dattatreya, as also Raghavendra Swami Mutt and Viraswavya Mutts. Sri Shankateshwara is worshipped every day through Abhisheka and Puja conducted as per Shaivagama. Mondays, new moon days and full moon days are of special significance. Girija Kalyan, held in the month of Mithuna or July, is a grand celebration of the marriage of Shiva with Parvati, and it is a feast to the eyes to witness both these bejeweled deities resplendent in all their finery. The temple possesses 5 exquisitely carved wooden chariots, and 3 among them are pulled on the occasion of Chikka Jatra, held in the month of Vrishchika, November, and all the 5 chariots during the Pancha Maharathotsava in the month of April. This festival lasts for 10 days. Mahashivratri and Navratri are other festivals celebrated with devotion and fervor on a very grand scale. Referred to as Garalapuri in the Puranas, Nanjangud has been praised as a holy place, sanctified by Parashurama and Gautama. Parashurama, it is said, prayed for the grace of Sri Kanteshwara to expiate himself of the sin of beheading his mother Renuka. Folk legends call the place as the dwelling of Nanjaya, later identified as Shiva, with ballads on Nanjaya describing his romantic interlude with Chamundi of Mysore. The Sri Kanteshwara temple of Nanjangud is the biggest temple in Karnataka and measures 385 feet by 160 feet, with a total area of 50,000 square feet. The Mahadwara or main entrance is 7-story high and is decorated with 7 gold-plated kalasas that add further 3 meters to its loftiness, flanked by two horns. The outer walls of the temples are about 12 feet high. The spacious courtyard or prakara welcomes hundreds of pilgrims to the divine abode of Shiva and offers a veritable galaxy of stucco figures, as it boasts more than 122 images including Dikpalas, the largest number of sculptures relating to Shiva and his various manifestations, several forms of Subramanya, Saptamatrikas and others. There are many exquisite bronze icons that vie for attention, and prominent among them are Tandaveshwara, Narayana with Bhudevi, Chandrasekhara Murti, Parvati, Chandikeshwara, and others. The inner niche of the temple wall also depict 32 forms of Ganapati, eulogized in the Mudgala Purana, and each one is more enchanting than the other. The temple is a centrally protected monument. The town is situated on the banks of the Kapila or Kabini river, where a dip in the waters on any momentous occasion is considered to be more meritorious or holy than dip in the Ganges. It is therefore hailed as Dakshina Kashi or Southern Kashi. In addition, the waters and the soil around the banks are believed to possess curative properties, and thus Sri Nanjundeshwara is also worshipped as Bhavaroga Vaidya or doctor or curer of all diseases. Tipu Sultan called him Hakim Nanjunda and gifted an emerald linga and a valuable emerald necklace as votive offering for having cured his favorite elephant of an eye disease.